Good day, Madam Sir. Here is my introduction for you to know me more. I am Narisa Miranda, but you can call me Isay. Currently, I am here in the Philippines. I have two kids, one boy, he is 14 years old, and one girl, she is 8 years old. My religion is Catholic. I live in Trece Martires City, Cavite, Philippines. I finished Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I don't have any siblings. I am an only child. My work experience year 2014 to 2019, I took care of a newborn and toddler. I serve 5 in the family. Mom is 30 years old and sir is 34 years old. Children, the boy is 5 years old, girl is 3 years old, and the newborn baby girl. Other chores that I do, I cook, doing laundry, and other household chores. But most of the time, I took care on focus on the baby. Feeding, take a bath, and also take care of her. Year 2021 and 2022, I work in an office near our place due to the restriction of COVID. So, I work first near our place. Then, year 2023 to year 2025, back to work. But this time, I work as a caregiver to an elderly. He is 79 years old, bedridden with bypass operation, heart surgery. Um, I took care of him during his surgery. I feed him, take a bath, change his diapers, uh, take to make his medicine on time. My other skills, Madam Sir, I know how to cook, how to bake, I know how to drive and do massage therapies. And I have experience with first aid also. Hoping for your kind consideration, Madam Sir, and to be part and serve your family soon. Thank you very much.